So one of my favorite features in Perplexity AI is now in the desktop and web version. If you look closely on the homepage, there is this new button called Voice Mode. So this feature is used to be exclusive on the Android and mobile devices where you can talk to AI in Perplexity and AI will answer the question with an audio. So this is very useful to get an answer very quickly by just speaking or talking about the question. It is way better and way faster than manually typing the query or the prompt. So this feature is available on desktop and the web version. You can click on this button to enable the feature. Now I'll do a quick demonstration. Let's click on this button. Alright, hi there. What can you do for me?
Hi there, I can help you find information, answer questions, provide explanations, and much more. If you have anything specific in mind, feel free to ask.
Alright, awesome. I'll talk to you later.
Sounds good. Talk to you later.
Alright, that's just a quick demo, but you can actually change the audio profile. So I will do it again, but I will change the audio, I will change the profile, and there is also the option to change the language. So let me open the menu again. Hey, I need some help with my home gardening project.
Sure, I'd be happy to help with your home gardening project. What specific questions or areas do you need assistance with?
Yes, I'm trying to grow bok choy from supermarket, but the plant keeps dying. Maybe if there's anything else that I need to know to make sure that the plant can grow normally at home.
Growing bok choy at home can be rewarding, but it can be tricky if conditions aren't right. Here are some tips. First, make sure your bok choy is getting enough sunlight, ideally 4 to 6 hours a day. Second, water consistently, keeping the soil moist.
Alright, that's just a quick demonstration, and I also changed the audio at the beginning. Remember that you can only change the audio before you start the conversation. Once you do that, you can't change the audio profile anymore, so just keep that in mind. And by the way, the conversation that you just had with Perplexity in the voice mode is also available in the library. So let's navigate to library and you'll see that the conversation about the bok choy project that I have at home is here. This is the conversation. You can open it and you can actually continue the conversation by just prompting. But apparently you cannot have a conversation in the voice mode anymore. You can still use dictation, but it is not the same as the voice mode. So yeah, I think regardless of its imperfection, I think this is a nice addition to Perplexity AI. So go ahead, visit perplexity.ai and try this new voice mode on your computer. If you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.